Yeah.
We came close. You know it's the beef and it's a lot of dying and they know we the reason we say
What's up? We ready to go to sleep. I don't know what I'm saying, but you already know. Yeah, we finna give up. I'm with Black Life No. This nigga black as shit, you can't even see him. But yeah, and I'm making beats right now. I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. It's the morning now. We ready to go to church. Got that camera. Good stuff. We're in church right now. Bro, you can hear all the dirt bikes just up there. We ready to walk up and get in the line. It was a good little line. We ready to wait for a second, and I guess we get in. Yeah. Like, that's like an 85.
Fuck go. It's a green light.
Fuck go.
It's a green light.
Fuck go. Don't hate the player, nigga, hate the game. It's just one eye. When I catch him, I'ma snatch his chain. Last shot we caught close range, tore him out the frame. RIPs hit his scalp, rip through his brain. Ain't no going out to eat when you in the war. Catch him lacking, whack him, he ain't get to make it to the store. If I ain't posted on the O, I'm posted on the 4. If I ain't spinning through the 6, I'm spinning through the trolls. I don't really like to switch it all twice in one day. I hope you can learn from this 40 and them RTA shots from the Drake. We kill his brother, make him split ways. Heavy in the V's, I ain't go to sleep and see the ones walking, they don't make it death fatal. We the ones cracking niggas' heads and giving facials. They laid up in that bed with IVs, different cables. These little niggas babies and this shit, they need cradles. Heard she wanna fuck with the cameras cause they treat her bad. Pay for the drop, ain't shit to buy a bitch a bag. Get a pretty dick, man, that's something that she never had. I don't even want the bitch no more, you can have a bag. Certified camper, certified lamper. Me and Brody been locked in 6 pampers. This is no Booga, that was homie on a banner. Run him down with that switchy break dancing. And I'm like, bro, fuck it go. We don't stop at red lights, bro, this shit'll go. If she can't fire, once we get that low. Same nigga posted with that burner on the O. 1 out, 2 out, 3 out, 4, 5 out, 6 dead niggas on the floor. Shots from the switchy, now he reaching for his throat. A lot of dead bodies, nigga murder what she wrote. Once he spot our target, then we hopping out that Jeep. We don't shoot from cars, bro, we hopping out on feet. I knew he was dead, I seen his head on the seat. Bro gon' stalk a nigga till he get him, he a creep. If the law get behind us, it's a tick. The eyes stick, he dying left and right, can't get a break. What the fuck? Nigga, homie died, that nigga made a tape. I be playing with this rap shit, this shit cake.